Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a thoughtful posture. So thoughtful posture it's a mix of a crossed arm and a straight posture mix. So usually when a person is cross-armed, he is in a thoughtful posture, in the sense that one of the arms is definitely crossed over. The other arm, it is extended to the chin area. So what happens there is that we start like so. We do not need to worry about the lower body, so it's upper body posture right here. Shoulder set, and very important to place the head right in the beginning of the exercise here. So I put in a head that is an oval, so shoulder set, collarbone area going right down, chest, midsection, and that's about it. We'll just end here. So all the action is up here, so we are going to draw this out right now. So elbow, provided this person has just sufficiently longer arms. Fist, hand for this arm, and then this arm right here coming in that like this and going right up here, and there's the hand for this arm right here. So now if we were to flesh this out a little better, I would worry about the hand first. So we'll put in the fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that is one arm. The important, I guess in this case, the more important arm, that is more crucial to this pose, taken care of. The other arm, so different things that you can do with this. You could actually, unless you're looking at it from an angle that is straight or from bottom, you can cover the elbow with this hand and then it'll be placed differently as well. But in this case, we are looking at it from slightly from the top, so that hand can go under this. So we will actually, the easiest way is first to get this in place. So I'm actually bringing it in a little bit because this person is not a huge or heavy person. It's just an average sized person, and I am placing the limbs accordingly. So, and then this hand, if you notice, I just put the index finger there, middle finger, second largest, and then the smallest fingers, and that is the thumb. So that is pretty much it actually. Now, of course, it will all round off by putting the face right here. So nose, eyes, mouth, and there's a few different things that we can really do with this, even in this particular pose. And I mean, of course, you've probably guessed it. For instance, typically we have the index finger going upward. You could also Google images, you'll find them out there. They're very common. So index finger going upward, in which case of course you'll have to subtract one finger, move this up a little bit, and place the fingers like that according to that. You could even show a portion of the thumb showing beside the index finger. So that is another way of going around it. You could also have, if you want to make it like very, very dramatic, the head tilted and still looking straight. Or sometimes the head is even looking slightly like this way, even with the fist up here. So that is because we are capable of all these dynamic expressions. Also, you can do this. So if you move the arm inward a little bit more, you could have the arm, and that's also a very, very common pose. You could have a portion of the other hand circle the other one like that. So all those different possibilities to this pose. Thank you for watching. I hope this was of some help. Please do let us have your comments and your suggestions. Please subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.